up, Huntsville Prison Farm. 3 years, 9 months too long. Got a lot of living left to do. Got a little song left in my heart. So here's a song for you. You're gonna let me out, gonna set me free. Lose myself in some pine trees. Catfish fishing all night long. Country girl listening to my song. Gonna dance all night with every girl in town. 2 pair of shoes and all my soul's wore out, yeah. Well, I was walking back from Dallas, just beside the Louisiana line. Well, I was walking back from Dallas, just beside the Louisiana line. And if I keep on walking, I get there right on time. Well, the sun's going down, I can smell the rain. Now I've been singing a song, walking down this old highway. But even when the rain comes pouring down, that bluebird on my shoulder, yeah, he sticks around. He said I'm happy when it's raining, but even when it pours, I got this bluebird on my shoulder and it gets us some more. So I asked him how he came to see it this way. He said there ain't no one to blame, it just works that way. And then he took a deep breath and he spread his wings and said, my, oh my, is what I sing. Well, I wrote it all down and this is what I heard. Walk down that old highway, listen to that bluebird. I said, now zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. My, oh my, what a wonderful day. Plenty of sunshine and rain. Zippity-doo-dah, hey.